Good afternoon, guys. In this video, I'm going to talk about Chelsea's performance so far. 5 matches, and we saw two losses, which is not very much expected from Chelsea, especially uh, other night against Southampton, where they Chelsea went down 2-1 after taking the lead. So, few things I like to talk about uh, Chelsea. We can see that Chelsea is have won 6 of the last 15 Premier League games, which is at the level where Chelsea is, and the way they are is pretty much not what the fan expect. To be honest, this is something they have to they were not expecting from Tuchel, the how he managed the game. And we can see that in the recent time, Tuchel look more interested towards focusing on transfer and buying other player from the from around the club rather than focusing on the team performance. You can have 10 big players, but if they are not a team, then manager has to rethink his strategy, what he is doing, and what he want. Although uh, Chelsea has Chelsea will be spending more time, more money than any other football club this season because of for last whatever political issues are. Um, so we have to see what the result will be because things what matter for the fans is what happened on the pitch at during the 90 minute of the play during the allotted time. What happened at the moment? Tuchel performance is as a manager is questionable, is a question mark for them. What we are expecting from a Chelsea, a team like Chelsea, we expect something more. And although we saw Fafana join from Leicester City for a 70 million pound deal, are we able to perform, see the performance on the pitch? And will the manager focus on the team performance rather than buying player? That's the question fans would like to have an answer. Because if you have a 11 player, 11 best player around the world, but if they cannot produce result, then your strategies need to be changed. We know that Tuchel was involved in replacing Lukaku for Emmerich, and that was a thing which we have to consider. That one thing, I think, player movement is a secondary issue if your team is not producing very well result. You can have world best players, but end of a 90 minute, if your team has scored less goals than your opponent, then that is the strategy you have to change for yourself, and you have to think what you are giving back. Are you giving back value for the money for your team? And that is something we have to consider. And I hope in the coming days we will see rather improved performance from the Chelsea, and we will see fan value for their money, which they expect. For this one, I have all to say. Keep watching my channel, and I will see you soon.